We continue our discussion on innovation with Ty Sagalow. He is president of Innovation Insurance Group. Here, Ty assesses the current process of product development in the insurance industry and predicts innovations he sees on the horizon in the coming months.
So the process of innovation is changing. Today we're seeing much more outsourcing. In years past, companies like AIG, Zurich, and others had literally dozens of people working on new products every day. The current economy simply doesn't allow that. So what we're seeing is small internal teams, 2, 3 people, sometimes only one, called a chief strategy officer or a chief innovation officer, and then outsourcing to outside experts the process of creating the insurance product, launching it, delivering it, and selling it. I believe that in the next coming years, we're going to see increased attention to reputation insurance. Just in the last 3 years, 5 different companies have come out with standalone reputation insurance policies. I've been fortunate enough to be involved in the creation of many of those. But when asked over and over again, what is your number one concern as a CEO of a company, the answer is always the same. How do I protect my brand? How do I deal with crisis? How do I manage my reputation? In addition to reputation insurance, there are going to be terrific new products coming out in the area of intellectual property. The reality of it is that because of outsourcing, the percentage of assets that companies have today that are the hard assets, tables, chairs, inventory, is being reduced. And the percentage of their overall balance sheet, which is soft assets, intellectual property, domain names, brand, copyright, trademark, patent, is increasing. And yet, asset-based lenders, for example, are not permitted under the current rules to lend one dime based upon the value of the soft assets. I know, for example, that at RIMS in 2013, a new product is going to be launched by a major carrier that insures the lender for the principal balance of loans that are collateralized by intellectual property. It's going to be a great, great new product, and one of probably several in the area of intellectual property. So reputation insurance, intellectual property insurance, climate change is going to be the next product that we're going to see. The case law involving liability of companies for act errors and omissions that result in climate change damage is increasing. And in my view, it is only a matter of time before it becomes clear that the general liability policies and the pollution exclusions apply, and that therefore the only way to manage your liability for climate change is a new insurance product. And then fourth, the industry still hasn't coped successfully with supply chain risk. There's been a number of products out in the last few years. None of them quite work. I believe in the coming years there will be a good middle market solution that truly covers the risk of supply chain loss.
For more of our discussion with Ty Sagalow, visit our on-demand library. And as a reminder, Ty will be hosting a new series on RIN TV called Innovations in Insurance. We hope you'll tune in.